man, blessed by the good man, guarded by the world, but not been defeated. Can't seem to accept it, but want to embrace it. There's really nothing to worry when there's freedom in perfect love. Was compelled by these codes, been set free by his words. I still can't take it. Oh, what a scandal. What's been given to me, I can't grasp it. But a change of heart, a change of heart is what you find in perfect love. Oh, how it doesn't make sense what you put me through. But one thing I know is for sure, you're worth the pursuit. Yeah. Oh, how it doesn't make sense, the things that you do. Yeah. But one thing I know is for sure, your love is foolproof. Some pain to need to go, you need some rain. What keeps me standing? It's your love unfailing, the fear in me, the fear in me has been conquered by your perfect love. Oh, how it doesn't make sense what you put me through. But one thing I know is for sure, you're worth the pursuit. Yeah. Oh, how it doesn't make sense, the things that you do. Yeah. But one thing I know is for sure, your love is foolproof. I'm thirsty. living water. I needed to breathe. The world once said face your fears. You know you could do it this time. But why is it when I face my fears I end up failing and cry? I keep on fighting, but something is missing inside. I feel so hollow, so empty, it's costing my pride. Maybe I'm not worthy of all the things you provide. You tell me let go of all what my heart desires. Now I find myself wondering why my soul is parched from the worldly things. That's why I'm thirsting for living water. I needed to live, thirsting for your living water. I needed to breathe. I'm thirsting for living water. I needed to live, thirsting for your living water. I needed to breathe. Take me back to the start, when you spoke to my heart. All these worries are muddying the water. Yeah. The worse it gets, the more I try. These broken wells don't satisfy. No, these broken wells don't satisfy. Oh, these broken wells don't satisfy. No, these broken wells don't satisfy. Oh, I'm thirsting for living water. I needed to live, thirsting for your living water. I needed to breathe. I'm thirsting for living water. I needed to live, thirsting for your living water. I needed to breathe. I'm thirsting for living water. I needed to live, thirsting for your living water. I needed to breathe. I'm thirsting for living water. I needed to live, thirsting for your living water. I needed to breathe.
まもなく6番線に快速おめい行きが参ります。危ないですから黄色い線路内側までお下がりください。高円寺、阿佐ヶ谷、西荻窪には停車いたします。1番線に弁老寺行きが到着します。危険ですから白線の内側でお待ちください。まもなく6番線に快速おめい行きが参ります。まもなく6番線に快速おめい行きが参ります。お下がりください。
You left me with nothing but agony. I stuck by your side so happily. We needed each other like drugs. Now I know what is happening. I'm up in the deal with Timothy. Distracting myself, be the remedy. At first I thought that she was sent to me. What's happening? We started out Freddie and Daphne. So good that it felt like a trap to me. The girl in my dream like a fantasy. But we've been caught out in reality. We reached the pinnacle of apogee. It must been a victim of gravity. Because it declined so rapidly. I thought you was just like a masterpiece. Cause you all I see in my gallery. I should've had a better strategy. Cause I was falling for you naturally. But you've been plotting on me actually. You left me with nothing but agony. I stuck by your side so happily. We treated each other like drugs. Now I do not know what is happening. They tried to warn me it was bad for me. But I just brushed it off so casually. I put all my trust in the love. And I became another casualty. Coincidentally, you guarded my back and then you attacked. I never thought you was my enemy. It wasn't always like that. I remember the days when your voice was a symphony. Music to my ears. I would wipe your face when you would cry tears and then try to protect you from your fears. I was doing all of that for 4 years, talking light years, not sure years. Shawty stressed me out, I need more beers. Tried to curry through like a warrior, but that wasn't enough. We went through the rough and the tough together, but tough was my luck. It got to the point I was just trying to keep my head up, stuck in the rut. Cause the woman that I love would rather be cuffed to a bottle of rum. And I was a sucker like dumb. I could never tell her if she wanted money, she got some. I wanted some, I got none. Always be playing the victim, so it was time that I run. Our love was insanity, consisted of tragedy. Was almost a family, but you aborted it, infant mortality. On top of that, you barely opened your mouth unless it was profanity. Always saying I was full of shit, but all you wanna do is crap on me. Always trying to keep the peace, but I swear it's like you like calamity. Always telling me you love me, but I'm an innocent bystander to all your apathy. Fatality. Stuck a knife through my heart, cut it out of me. Got an attitude, but her at me. Barely rattle me when they be at me. Doing all of that for 4 years, talking light years, not sure years. Shawty stressed me out, I need more beers. Tried to curry through like a warrior, but that wasn't enough. We went through the rough and the tough together, but tough was my luck. It got to the point I was just trying to keep my head up, stuck in the rut. Cause the woman that I love would rather be cuffed to a bottle of rum. And I was a sucker like dumb. I could never tell her End of my work like a dynamite stick, and I really think I'm about to blow on this bitch. I was daddy and poppy and baby and shit. Now I never wanna see her face in my crib again. By your side so happily. Before I ain't know what was happening. Now I know exactly what's happening. I'm moving it on, you know what I want, so you can just move it along. You always been good at that disappearing trick, so stick to your magic and make yourself gone. And leave me alone, don't hit on my phone. My testosterone been taking a hit. I need my cajones. Should've went with your homegirl. You stuck in your own world, now it's faded to black. You packing your bag for the last time, cause I won't stop. You just run away, I ain't running back. Leering